Hi, all, good afternoon. Praise be to God. Praise be to God. When we use this word, praise be to God, it gives us so much of joy in our heart because even though we are going through so many things in our life, we and the Holy Spirit just reminds us that this is a part of life because we are in this evil world and we are a part of a world, we are a part of this world, we are into this evil world, we are children of God. And Jesus said in his word that we will go through all this thing, but he will be with us even though we walk through the valleys of shadows of death. He will be with us, and his rod and his staff will comfort us, will guide us. And he is the light. Even though we walk into the darkness, he will not leave us, not forsake us. And every day is a battle for me, is battle in my mind, battle in my flesh, every day. But he reminds me that his presence goes with me and he never leaves me. He is with me in my battle, in my daily activities. He's there with me. It's just the way that I am alive and I am breathing, and his breath has kept me alive, and the way I am inhaling and exhaling, he is there with me in my breath. He is just exhaling and inhaling, he just inhaling and exhaling. He is there with me, and at this moment also he inspired me to make this video so that it may touch someone's life. It touches the children of God life, that even he or she might go through this which I am going through it. And it's not by my strength, it is by his strength. Believe me, I cannot do anything without His strength. I cannot do anything without Holy Spirit. Cannot do anything. Anything means anything without Holy Spirit. I'm just incomplete without Him. And what brings joy to me is just Jesus. I have experienced Him in my daily life. And if we say that He's our Father, and He just literally takes responsibility, like as a earthly father does. Thank you, guys, thank you so much. Like, this is amazing. His love is amazing. Amazing means amazing.